Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, I'm going to take you through the week ahead analysis. I'm going to go through the strength and weakness and go through a few charts of interest. So there's a few interesting things before we get going. First of all, we've got the strength meter, and what it's showing is that the US dollar remained pretty strong last week. We rallied. And we're now in a reversal zone. So when something's at +7, that could mean that something is really strong or at a point where it could reverse. And the sort of perfect reversal pairs at the moment are the dollar, Aussie, and the Swiss franc, because the Swiss franc lost a lot of strength and is heading back towards the low. So it could get to a point where that starts to sort of reverse. But the perfect pair is Aussie US dollar, and the interesting thing about Aussie US dollar for a reversal potential is the seasonality. So if I actually just come out of this a second and just grab the seasonal chart that we looked at the other day, and you can see here that if I just grab July like this, so we've got the whole column there. Look at the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar actually performs pretty well. It's actually the second best performing month for the Australian dollar in July. So that could show us there's a potential for the market to start reversing a little bit. Also, the US dollar actually performs pretty poorly through the month of July. Not the worst month, but the second worst month recorded over a period of time is usually July. So there could be a bit of an option here to look for some reversal opportunities. And I'm going to start off with the Australian US dollar because prices recently broke down and we actually looked for short opportunities all the way through this area, just through here. And the support was these previous structure lows, because previous structure lows can act as areas of support, and we can see that the price printed a false breakout pattern. A false breakout pattern occurs when price closes below a level, but then the next candlestick closes bullish, and it was a really strong bullish engulfing candle. So looking at this from the offset, it looks to me like this could be a double bottom pattern, and we could see price come back up and retest 0.76 this week, which could be very interesting to watch out for. Alternatively, if we take out last week's lows, then we think the downtrend will continue and the dollar strength will continue. However, at the moment, it looks to me like we could see a reversal back into 0.76 going into this week. A key thing to watch would be the 4-hour time frame. If the 4-hour time frame starts to form lower, higher lows and higher highs, then look for long opportunities to that level. Another one that we like is silver. We spoke about this for a couple of days now, but I'm just going to keep it in the week ahead analysis because it's something that I want us to focus on. Silver, huge sort of volume levels up around about the $28 area. That's where I'm expecting price to go to. Silver usually performs really, really well through July. We're getting that sort of double bottom pattern starting to form now. I'd just like a couple more closes above the neckline highs. If we get those closes above the neckline highs, then I'm going to watch this daily chart, because if we get a few sort of bearish low ranging candlesticks, that'll give me the opportunity to get long on this up into this consolidation zone just through here. So silver still a main focus for us as well. Dollar Swiss then. So Swissy actually lost a bit of value last week, but again, look what's happening here. Quite interesting. With the price seems to be failing at the previous structures. We saw the dollar sell off quite aggressively after the recent NFP report, which actually wasn't too bad. It was, they created more jobs, but the average hourly wage moved downwards, and that can usually be a sign that there's low income jobs coming into the market, and that's not necessarily what they want to see at the moment. They want to see better jobs being created. However, this rejection here could signify that we're going to see a little bit more downside. And again, what's going to be quite crucial here is watching those 4-hour time frames. And we can see here at the moment, price has broken out of this kind of trading range here on dollar Swiss. So if we get a pullback, there could be a reversal situation setting up here for a move back down into these previous structure area of 9145. So those are the charts to watch this week. I'll keep you updated with others throughout the week. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when we post a new video. I hope you had a great weekend. I'll speak to you soon.